Imagine carrying around a bag of stones wherever you go. It's heavy, uncomfortable, and draining. This bag of rocks represents a mind cluttered with negative thoughts, regrets, and worries. It's a burden that weighs you down, preventing you from living fully and joyfully. But what if you could learn to let go of this heavy load? Buddha once taught us that our minds are like gardens. Just as a garden requires regular care to flourish, so does our mind. If we neglect it, weeds of negative thoughts will grow, choking the life out of your positive thoughts and inner peace. By understanding and applying Buddha's wisdom, we can clear these weeds and cultivate a garden of serenity and clarity. The power of mindfulness. One of Buddha's core teachings is mindfulness, the practice of being present in the moment, fully aware of our thoughts, feelings, and actions. When our minds are dirty and cluttered with negativity, it's often because we are not living in the present. We are stuck in the past, reliving old mistakes and regrets, or we are anxious about the future, worrying about things that have not happened yet. Mindfulness allows us to break this cycle. By focusing on the present moment, we can observe our thoughts without judgment. We can acknowledge them, understand them, and then let them go. This practice creates spaces in our minds, allowing us to see things more clearly and respond to life challenges more effectively. Meditation, the key to inner cleanliness. Meditation is a powerful tool for clearing the mind. Through meditation, we learn to quiet constant chatter in our heads, creating a sense of peace and clarity. Buddha emphasized the importance of meditation in achieving a clean mind. He taught us that by sitting in stillness and focusing on our breath, we can calm our minds and gain insight into the true nature of our thoughts and emotions. Start with just a few minutes a day. Find a quiet place, sit comfortably, and close your eyes. Focus on your breath, observing each inhale and exhale. If your mind starts to wander, gently bring it back to your breath. With regular practice, your mind will become clearer and more focused. The art of letting go. Another essential aspect of Buddha's wisdom is the art of letting go. Our minds are often dirty because we hold on to the negative thoughts and emotions. We replay old hurts, cling to grudges, and dwell on past mistakes. This mental clutter prevents us from experiencing true peace and happiness. Buddha taught that everything in life is impermanent, including our thoughts and feelings. By recognizing this, we can learn to let go of the things that no longer serve us. This doesn't mean ignoring our problems or suppressing our emotions. Instead, it means acknowledging them, accepting them, and then releasing them. Cultivating positive thoughts. Just as we need to clean out the weeds in a garden, we also need to plant flowers. In the context of our minds, this means cultivating positive thoughts and attitudes. Buddha encouraged the practice of loving kindness or metta, which involves developing a deep sense of compassion and kindness towards ourselves and others. Take time each day to reflect on the positive aspects of your life. Express gratitude for the things you have, no matter how small. Practice kindness and compassion in your interactions with others. By focusing on the positive, you can create a mental environment that fosters peace and happiness. Self-reflection and self-awareness. Buddha also emphasized the importance of self-reflection and self-awareness. By regularly examining our thoughts, actions, and motivations, we can gain a deeper understanding of ourselves and our minds. This self-awareness allows us to identify the sources of our mental clutter and take steps to address them. Keep a journal where you can write down your thoughts and reflections. This can be a powerful tool for gaining insights into your mind, identifying patterns that contribute to your mental clutter. With this awareness, you can make conscious choices to change these patterns and cultivate a cleaner, more peaceful mind. The journey to a clear mind. The journey to a clear mind is not easy. It requires dedication, practice, and patience. But by applying Buddha's wisdom, you can transform your mind from a cluttered, chaotic place into a garden of serenity and clarity. Remember, it's not about achieving perfection, but about making progress. As you continue on this journey, be gentle with yourself. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small, and learn from your setbacks. With time and practice, your mind will become more transparent, your thoughts more positive, and your life more peaceful and fulfilling. So, could you take the first step today? Practice mindfulness, meditate regularly, let go of negative thoughts, cultivate positivity, and engage in self reflection. With Buddha's wisdom as your guide, you can clear your dirty mind and discover a life of peace, clarity, and happiness.